Hello guys, this episode of Design Highlight, we'll take a look at Benjamin Donnelly, an industrial designer. So guys, Benjamin has some very finely detailed works here. Just like very intricate designs. Let's take a look at some of them. First we got these compact data cards. Just like a nice, something between I guess like a hard drive, flash drive, solid state drive. Looks a little bit retro here. Looks like it was even 3D printed as well. Looks like this was made in Blender. So, very impressive Blender model here. Next we got this tactical tablet here. So, Benjamin likes to explore like some nice, you know, futuristic props. I mean, maybe not even that futuristic, maybe something like this could obviously exist nowadays, but just a nice exploration of different gadgets and how they could be assembled together. An asteroid mining tool. Just, you know, imagining how people could work and what kind of tools they could use in the future where humanity mines asteroids. So just a lot of like, you know, a lot of the mundane things. A lot of art, guys, is about, you know, monsters and robots and wars and things, but sometimes, guys, it's fun to think about, well, what will average life be like in the future if human beings ever get into space and mine asteroids? It's like, what kind of clothes will they wear? What kind of tools will they use? So sometimes it's fun, guys, just to explore the mundane world of science fiction, which is just like the everyday little tools that we use. Got this nice prototype laser scanner calibration. So, I very much enjoy seeing how different artists operate, guys, and what their talents and interests are. And Benjamin just likes creating very detailed, you know, futuristic little scenes here. This is a nice little time lapse showing how everything was assembled together. So, very cool to see how everything just kind of comes about. You can see how details gradually added here. Things are scaled, rotated, modified. Reaction engine delivery. So it looks like NASA's delivering an engine through a shuttle, through an airplane. You know, no guns here, no aliens, no soldiers, just nice, clean industrial design. Nice little phone here. I enjoy the shapes, I enjoy the color scheme. And this is a nice little vehicle design from Godzilla vs. Kong, The New Empire. It looks like it was actually built on set for the actors. This was made using a Blender, Rhinoceros, Procreate, Photoshop. Now it's kind of very subtle here, guys, but it almost looks like a creature to me. And if you look right here, it looks like a creature with like no, you know, no legs. Like this is his head, this is its torso, these are its two arms, and these are like the back spikes. So I feel like it's very subtle here, and I don't know if this was intentional, but to me it looks like some sort of like, you know, some sort of a lizard creature with its two little arms here, kind of lifting it up a little bit here. And then the spikes to the back. And just like the angles here make me think of an arm, a creature arm. So, and we've got this autonomous medical robotics scene. So just, you know, imagining near future scenarios of how medicine could be performed, operations could be done. And it's always nice to see an unrendered wireframe or clay version of the scene as well. Alright guys, that has been Benjamin Donnelly. Link is in the description. Thank you for watching and take care.